Does he have the whip?
Yes.
Oh, pull it out of his mouth.
No.
Silly. Oh, oh my goodness.
Ew.
You get it all yucky.
Look at it.
I see. Why don't you put it down? Go pet him. You doing nosies with him?
But he's not shaking it.
You better rub him so he doesn't smack you in the face by accident. Good boy. Aww.
His name is like Fluffy.
Uh-huh. What did you want to call him?
Onyx.
Onyx. He's a pretty boy, huh?
Look at his legs.
I know, he's standing silly.
Can I put him on this?
Where's he going? He said I had enough, huh?
Look at all these horse prints and shoe prints.
Let's see if he's going to lay down.
Why?
I think he's going to roll back up. He's going to itch his back. Oh, maybe not.
Look, he digged a hole.
Mm-hmm.
Why is he digging?
He's going to roll. Make it fluffy under his belly. It's like a big sandbox to him.
I think he's trying to look for